I am the mechanical wizard, and today I am showing you how to check your tyre size, tyre tread depth and tyre age on Betsy, my Fiesta. Yeah, let's get it done. What people don't know is that tyres actually have a built-in bit there, see it? Well, that is set, I believe, at like 2mm. So when that hits that, you get tyre changed. So pretty simple and really quick and easy to do. All you have to do is obviously turn your wheel and you can check your tyres. Obviously, if you get a jack, you can spin your wheel just to make sure it's all even. As well, also to make sure to check the inside of your tyre, the same as this, to make sure that it's got tread on it. Because if it hasn't got a raised tread pattern, and what I mean by a raised tread pattern, is if that this is higher than this, then this can be worn. But if that's the same, if that bit in there is the same as this, and that gets worn, that is illegal. On the side of your tyre, you have your width, which is 195, your profile, which is 45, and the size of your tyre, which is radial, so that is to do with how the tyre is built, and it's a 16-inch wheel, and 84V is the speed rating. And on here, 14, so that's the 14th week, and 17, 2017. And that is how you check your tyres. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.